Hi friends, today we will show you 10 cool gadgets. These gadgets will be great gifts for you or your friends and will not burden your budget. You will find the links to all products in the description below the video. In order not to miss our new videos about gadgets, subscribe to the channel and press the bell. Let's start with a folding two-sided knife in the form of a Batarang. Yes, if you have this knife, even the famous superhero will envy you because it is completely made of high quality and durable metal, and in the unfolded state and overall opened, it reaches 7.25 inches in length. The knives are sharp enough even inside the package, so be careful. Such a case is useful for those who have a mess of different SIM cards and memory cards. Now you will be able to organize everything conveniently. Judge for yourself. You can put 21 memory cards of different formats and 5 SIM cards of different sizes into the case. By the way, the memory card holder is not only water resistant and dust resistant, but also anti-collision and anti-shock, so your cards will be safe inside. The next one is another waterproof gadget. It's a silicone keyboard that you can easily roll up and take with you anywhere. Also, unlike a normal keyboard, this model has a no typing sound design, so it makes you have a quiet working environment and avoid disturbing others during the night with emotional typing. Such non-slip gel mats can be glued to almost any flat surface to hold your smartphone, keys, GoPro, and other small items. The stickers are made of durable but malleable material so that they will not only hold the thing securely but can also be reused. And if you take into account the fact that there are 12 pieces in a package, you will have enough of these stickers for a long time. The next inexpensive thing is luminous shoelaces for your sneakers. With this accessory, you will be visible even in the dark. Besides, some models of shoelaces can smoothly change color or flicker brightly. These cute items work with new batteries for approximately 60 hours. A lot of teenagers would be happy to get such a gift. This two-sided organizer is perfect for storing and organizing documents and various accessories. In the front, it has a lot of elastic bands that can hold pens, cables, chargers, and many other things tightly. And you can store your documents and files in the back. This organizer is light enough and will not take up much space in your backpack. Do you need to fix something quickly? Bondic is what you need. It's not glue as you might think. The incorporated LED UV light has an easy press button, and when the liquid is exposed to the UV light, it cures in seconds to a permanent bond. You can fix objects made of plastic, metal, wood, ceramics, and so much more. Also, you can paint them in the desired color after it is hardened. Do you miss the spinners? Now you will be able to spin even a pen. Yes, it's a pen spinner, and it's double-sided besides. So you will be able to immediately start writing if the muse visits you after spinning the pen. By the way, if desired, you can hide a rod in the pen. If you work a lot with paper documents and you need a highlighter to mark the text, look at this set. You will find pink, green, orange, yellow, and blue highlighters in the holder that looks like a spinner. There are other sets by the link in the description. We will finish the selection with an interesting bottle opener in the form of a playing card. The stainless steel opener will easily fit in your pocket. The edges are pretty sharp, so it can be used as a knife for opening parcels, for example. Write in the comments what gadgets you would give your best friend. See you soon.